Hi guys, afternoon. We are in Pasar Burung, ya. Terus kita mau ngapain lagi dari sini, ya? So I just take the girls to see what's going on in here. And I know, guys, I feel sorry about all the animals in here because we don't know how long those animals are in the cage. But hey, it is what it is. It's animals market. Oh. Oh wow.
It looks like star.
Which one?
That one.
There's a lot of cats over here. Oh, looks like the baby. They're all same mama. You think so? Watch out the truck.
Ini tidy.
Oh.
Tidy.
Watch out the car, Abigail.
Bunny rabbit.
Watch out the car. Yes. That is so cute. Look at them. It's very cute.
Look at this one. Baby tiger.
Hi.
Look, this rabbit. Rabbit.
Chicken. That's a guinea pig. Oh.
Rabbit.
Oh yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Pigeons.
We can get the house for Willow. Get toys for Willow. And look. What's it called? A sugar glider.
Sugar glider. Is that baby?
Ini dah kita ambil yang kayak bagi cake.
Sugar glider.
They pink.
Chicken.
So cute. Di dalam banyak kucing.
I'm not sure, guys, if you are maybe one day you're in Bali, like to see these animals in here. You can check it out, Pasar Hewan or Pasar Burung Denpasar. Probably I'm planning to buy lovebird, but couple one, because I love a lovebird. Even a duckling over here, duckling, and they color the chicken, the baby chicken. There's a lot of birds in there, a baby chicken over there as well, a chicken, and lovebird. Yeah, there's so many of them. Can I have a look? Hello. So pretty.
Cantik. Tapi nggak ada yang biru. Itu biru.
Hey, why are you hiding there? Hello. You're right. I guess you just like to hide. No, don't. We're gonna go have a look first. Come on. Iguana. Oh,
Papa kucingnya dijual 500.000 bonus 5 anak.
Mana?
Lihat ini, Pak. Hai.
Mana? Is this the one we have at home? No, we have the lizard. Different one. Hello.
Papa, this is what we want for
Oh wow.
Willow.
Willow.
Iya,
No, that's for fish.
Willow.
There's a big iguana in here. Look at that.
For birds.
This is a big one. Look at the nails. Look at that.
For Willow. Look, dipakai burung tuh. Papa dipakai burung.
Mana?
Willow kan bisa.
Burung kecil-kecil itu.
Papa, Willow kan bisa. Kan kita
Oh, dijual
500.000.
500.000 bonus 5 anak.
Tapi kayaknya
But you know what? We can catch our lizard, the one at home, and we put it in the cage. That's beautiful. They are so beautiful.
Papa, nanti kita cari rumah untuk ini kayak
Here we go.
mainan dulu.
There's a lot of birds in here as well, guys. Look at this. Oh. Turkey, yes. Oh, look at this.
Ang bebek. Bebek. Bawahnya apa? Bebek papa.
Can we buy this?
No.
Oh no. They're cute. Look at them. It's 25,000, Abigail. Do you have money? 25,000?
At home.
Huh?
At home. Oh, look, they're so cute. Look at this guy.
Oh, they just sleep like that. Hey, look at this. It's right here. Like, Abby, get me out from here.
Aku pengen pegang tapi takut gigit.
Yeah, jangan dipegang lah. Get me out here. Is this mouse or that
no.
one?
Hamster.
Hamster?
Iya. Papa,
Oi.
coba cari rumahnya Willow. Oh itu kah?
Let's go. Apa itu? Let's go. Burung itu. Yeah, I don't know what kind of bird is that there. Kalau kerucut. Burung kerucut. Yeah. They used to have an owl in here. I don't know if they have the owl in here.
Ya, Papa. Gampang. Tapi banyak di rumah.
Oh, look at this bird. Oh. Yeah, that one too. I wish we had cage for them.
I made a sneaky.
Shall we get one for her friend?
Ade nunggu Kak ini udah pulang, nanti aku kasih. Bro, ayo bro.
Oh, look at this.
Papa, there's a willow with a red eye.
Willow with the red eyes. Where? Oh, yeah. What else do we got? I sure want to get one for your I don't think you said ransom though. Oh yeah?
down.
Yeah.
Mau sebelah. Salt water.
Salt water too.
Kita punya yang one.
Wah, tasting. Limpat nggak dapat 30. 30 lah ya. Itu. Kalau yang ini beda. Warna aneh. Berapa 30 Pak? Wah, aku beli kalau dapat aja 34 gitu.
Kali ya?
Hah?
Kali.
Oh.